Good evening, guys. Welcome back to Financial Independence. So let's look at the weekly chart of weekly analysis of Nifty, Bank Nifty. And if you see market today closed at 15,800, once again an all-time high, and it made a doji candle. I'll go into the daily chart. Daily chart, if you see, if it is a doji candle, a bit of indecisiveness is there. 15,800, exactly at 15,800 now. So if you see on the upper side, 15,932 is the next resistance or the potential target for that. But 15,800 is having the huge resistance as of now because the smart money is being written over there. 15,800 and 16,000, 16,100 levels. 15,000 is having the huge support. So the market is breadth is again getting wider. So 15,000 to 16,000 is the range for next week. Coming to this week was entirely to power sector, Nifty Energy, NBFC, Nifty Auto, and Nifty Metals, and some IT stocks. So mostly these stocks were performing well. Once again, a very good week for mid cap and small caps. Coming to the sector wise, open wise, long build ups. Long build up is today seen on metals and pharma, IT, auto, oil sector, oil stocks, Nifty stocks, some of the Nifty stocks and power, Nifty energy. Shorting was seen on realty, infra, auto ancillary, telecom, bank Nifty stocks, media, FMCG, and fertilizer stocks. Long unwinding, if you see cement sector, which is in run for quite few days, a long unwinding was seen there. NBFCs, which had a very good uh, like flow for all this 1 week as a long unwinding, capital goods as a long unwinding, short covering not in particular, few of the stocks. And coming to Bank Nifty is 35,047, which is 83 points lower now. So the whole week it was a consolidation for Bank Nifty, not much move on either side. You see Monday candle, let's move to the weekly chart. Yes, it is actually at the very crucial level of 61.8% retracement Fibonacci level. So staying below that, again, the market will be a bit negative for Bank Nifty or banking sector stocks. So 61.8% retracement will hold it. Personally, expecting next week to be range bound to positive. And for the Nifty, I am expecting market to be in like a range of 15,000 to 16,000 levels. A bit mild negative to neutral because there is an indecisiveness candle today it made, which is a doji candle. So let's look at that. So coming to the sector wise view, first is Nifty Auto. Nifty Auto I had shared in my group. So for more details, you can contact me through the comment section. I'll add up through the group and we can get more knowledge on this. So it is bit close to the all-time breakout. You see the breakout was like 52-week high. It is going to make again. It is close to 10,700. Sorry, 10,800 now. And all-time high is 10,993, which is 11,000 levels. So quite almost 200 points down that below that. So I am expecting once again a breakout in auto stocks. But if you see the raw material costs of all the auto sector has completely increased. The aluminum, steel, the raw material cost has completely increased. But it's quite interesting to watch. Still, the auto sector, the auto stocks get moving up. Maybe there is a huge expectation for the auto stocks. Once the lockdown is lifted, there will be huge orders getting in for Nifty, like Nifty Auto or Auto Index, auto stocks. So getting back to metals is once again back in bullish territory. So it is trying to get past the previous high, 5,500 levels. So we have to watch. Metal sector has performed very well today. Tata Steel, SAIL, everything was performing very good. I mean, like the increasing raw material cost is showing up on that on the steel sector also. Nifty energy stocks, Power Grid, Tata Power, all the power sector stocks, even the penny stocks of energy sector was performing very good in the Sujas. See, it made a breakout and then it is still flying. So power grid, I mean, like renewable energy is the theme, is the coming theme. I mean, like the theme for the future, just like electric vehicles and digital India, the stocks. So people should add up more on this because still it is like if comparing to the other sector stocks, it is still on the I mean like easy approachable stocks. I mean like the price of the stocks were not much compared to the other one. So Nifty Infra. So doji candle made. Small caps and mid caps and small caps are performing very well. So it made again a bullish candle on the upside. Nifty small caps. So the current theme is on small caps and mid caps. All the Nifty small caps and mid cap stocks are flying. Only thing is we have to identify the particular and good stocks to ride with the trend. So everything is going up. Nifty IT. Nifty IT again, a huge Marubozu candle. The breakout has happened. So please utilize all these stocks, guys. If you need more information on this, on what stocks to pick or whether to hold your existing stocks, stop loss, or what will be the targets, you can reach me on the comment section. We will discuss more. We'll share you the details. Nifty Media. Again a bull run. Coming to Nifty Private Banks. Nifty Private Banks again still in a consolidation mode. You see the stocks like HDFC, ICICI, both are underperforming. Axis Bank and Kotak Bank both are bullish, but the rest of the stocks are negative. FMCG. So these are all weekly time frame for the every sector. You can see the breakout happened in the FMCG and it is still on the trend line support. So this will be helpful for you to, continue with, hold your stocks or book your profits. Nifty Pharma. So pharma stocks again made a huge bullish candle this week, like a hammer. Sorry. Nifty energy stocks. Energy stocks in breakout, a huge bullish candle, and again uh, not much like a shooting star, but a bullish candle again. So everything looks good. The next week is should be a bit cautious because Nifty is nearing the all-time high of 16,000. I'm personally expecting 16,000, 16,250 levels would be the potential reversal zone because that is also an harmonics level reversal zone. So people who are holding long on the FNO sections, bit, stay a bit cautious and please hedge your positions. Don't be too long on the index side. Once again, this week was not for the index, and again for the stock specific actions, like same like last week. So we can look again the same in the expect same in the next week. If Bank Nifty supports us, then we can expect a very good move. But let's wait for the move. But in this bull market, everything looks good and all the stocks are keep moving. So where to pick, where to pitch in, or what are the stocks to invest in? That would be the confusion for most of the new investors getting in. So I will be coming up with a video on that. What is the new theme? What is the value stocks to invest on that? Everything I will be giving up on the tomorrow's video. So stay tuned for that. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and please press your bell button, notification button, so that keep updated on this. And if you have any doubts or clarifications or any comments specific to this video or any other things, please post on the comment sections. Let's discuss. Thanks guys. Have a wonderful weekend. Bye.